Happy Techy Thursday. So today what I'm going to do is show you how to navigate to where I keep all the Techy Thursday videos and other tech ideas that you can use in your classroom on our China Spring ISD website. So I've had a couple of people asking me to show them where that is, and so today is just I'm going to show you that. So let's see. First, what we'll do is we will go to the chinaspringisd.net. And then this is where it brings you to our home page. So up here where it says staff, you're going to go to staff, and then you'll go to instructional technology, because that is where everything will be. So this is kind of my home page where I will have everything that you need. Something a little bit about me, and then things that I can help you do in your classroom. All the different things that I can help you do and find over here in the black bar. And if you don't get this black bar to come up, sometimes there's like a 3 lines. Click that. This is the menu bar over here. And so right here is Techy Thursday. So if you click on that, all the videos and things that I've talked about every Thursday are going to be here. So these are all also YouTube videos, but they're also going to be here on this page. There are other resources here in the instructional tech and curriculum page. I have, I'll be adding some links here. Right here is my YouTube channel. So if you go to right here where it says Melissa's YouTube channel, and then right here where it says subscribe to my YouTube channel, it will take you actually into YouTube. And all my things will be here from Techy Thursday also. Other videos that I've made, there'll be some playlists that I have. So there's some things that are not all videos that I've made, but videos that I found that may be useful. And I've added them into different playlists. So I have like stuff for Apple technology, quick fixes. So I've done a couple of quick videos for people that have had some questions on things. So you might find a quick fix here. Of course, the Techy Thursday. Ozobot. These are some Ozobots are really awesome. They're fine. I'll probably do a Techy Thursday video on those one day. It's coding, and it's coding from K through 12. So it starts out with color coding all the way to block coding. And then you have these little Ozobots to try out your coding. And kind of same thing with Sphero Spark. This is again some more videos, and I also have those for checkout. Anything in this playlist here, Technology Eye for checkout, it gives you a little bitty video that you can watch. And then there'll be also things that I actually have that you can email me about, and I can help you integrate into your classrooms and lessons. I have Osmos and then TI Innovator and Rovers for coding and a little higher level. Here's some iPad videos that you can watch. And down here is my why. These are some videos that I've made about my why. I think that's important to know what your why is, and we talk about that a lot in our district. So I think that having your why is a good way to do that. And I like to make videos, so I put that on there. So these are some different videos that I've made and collected, so that you a good resource page for you. Then channels. These are some channels that I subscribe to. So there are a lot of different people that I subscribe to in channels. So Ditch That Textbook for Matt Miller, like we saw last year over at Convocation, Seesaw, Alice Keeler, just a lot of good technology for the classroom, and teacher technology is featured in these channels. And then discussion, I don't have any discussion right now, but so if you could just go over to my Educational Technology YouTube page, and if you could subscribe to it, that'd be great. That way you can get alerts and stuff on that too. So that is where that will take you. So that's on that sidebar. You can just come over here to Melissa's YouTube channel and then click here to subscribe. It'll take you over to YouTube, and then you'll actually have to click on the subscribe. So those are a couple of different things. You can also follow me. It shows where to follow me on Twitter. Again, here's subscribe to my YouTube. Flipgrid, I have that. So there's a lot of different ways to find out where I'm posting cool stuff for the classroom. And if you have, here's the campus ones, or the elementary, middle, intermediate, high school, annex, and admin. These are all different campuses. And if you go to these campuses websites, that's where also the Chrome cart checkout calendars and things like that are, and other resources specifically to each campus. So that is all, again, housed in the China Spring ISD website. Again, you just go to our regular website, chinaspringisd.net, go over to staff and instructional tech, or InTech, and there it is. So that is your that's all the information here on how to find more things to do in the classroom. I will continue to post. Today what I did is I added a Google form survey or poll, and it's just one question. So I'd like for you guys that have watched the video to go back in and take the poll. And there's 3 things that I can do for next week's Techy Thursday. And the one that gets the most votes this week is the one that I will showcase next week. Then if you also have, if maybe you don't like any of those and you want me to do something different, there's an other. And if I don't get to it this Thursday, maybe it doesn't win out over the other ones that I have posted, but maybe it'll give me another idea of what some of you like to see. So hope that you're having a great Thursday. It's almost the end of the day here, and Friday is just around the corner. So have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.